girls, welcome back to my channel. Stephanie Nadia here. For those of you who are visiting for the first time, a fun fact about me is I love chocolate. I am addicted to it. It's my favorite dessert of all time. So today I have a new try-on haul for you guys featuring fashion to figure pieces, and I love them as a brand because they get curvy women. Everything honestly is always true to size whenever I've tried it on, and they always fit my curves the way I want them to. And for me, I feel like shopping as a curvy woman, I can get into problematic situations because my midsection is always the largest part of me, so it's important to me that I have pieces that I like, that I feel comfortable in, and that are super stylish, and fashion to figure does that for me. So let's get into this try-on haul. So the first piece that I have up here is actually the one that I'm wearing right now, and it's a dress. I absolutely love the shoulder portion of it. I love that it's like thin spaghetti straps here, but it comes off the shoulder. I had a little bit of funny issues with this portion though, the fold keeps on coming out and it looks a little bit awkward, so maybe ironing it so that the actual fold of where it's supposed to sit naturally will stay in place would help. So this is the way that the dress looks. It is a fit and flare dress, and I love how it hugs me around my waist. It accentuates my waist, and it really falls on my curves the way I like it to. So overall, this is a win-win. Also, the material is pretty thick, so it's perfect for this transitional weather, and pairing it with a jacket and boots will take you right into fall. So a great piece to have and a great piece to add into your wardrobe. So the next two items I have here that I'm gonna try on together actually is this off the shoulder bell sleeves top, and I think it is such a cute top, I cannot wear it. And the second item are these pair of pants. They kind of remind me of bag waisted pants, but they're not really. And so there is a tie in the front. All right, so let's go change. So I have the top on now, and guys, look at this thing. It is freaking beautiful. I am in love with it. I think that I just love anything that's off the shoulders because I actually do love my shoulders. So I am in love with these. Look at the details on the sleeve. It is great. There's also a slit to it, so there's more movement with it, and there's layering with it. So it's just a gorgeous top. I can't get enough of this. It's so beautiful. And it's so simple and easy and comfortable to wear. Again, guys, I cannot stress the fact that I love to wear comfortable things. And if I can look bomb in it, that is a 2 thumbs up piece of item to keep in my closet. I got some more stripes for us. This time it is a skirt. And I think this is so cute, the way that it ties in the front halfway through, 3/4 of the way. So there is typical, it reminds me of a typical skirt from when I was a kid. Okay, and this top, y'all, I can't get over the color and the ruffliness. I am so excited. When I saw it online, I was like, fashion to figure, I need to have this piece. I needed to have it because it is so cute. You know what it is? I've also been getting so much into off the shoulder pieces just because it reminds me of my Ecuadorian heritage. It reminds me of the roughly off the shoulder tops that a lot of the natives wear there, and it's just so cute, so it makes me feel closer to home. Anyways, let me go try on these pieces so you guys can see what it looks like. Guys, I love this top. Look how cute it is. And it's so fun. This is even great for the spring as well. Summer for sure. You can definitely work this in the fall. I would totally pair this with a pair of burgundy skinny jeans and just go out and rock it like this. I love the idea. I love the color combo of cranberry and mint. So cute. What do you guys think? So for this top, there are 2 layers, so it is pretty warm, and there is the underslip, so I feel like it's warm enough, especially even going into the fall, it's gonna be warm enough to wear a warmer fall day. For the bottom, I love this too. It's really comfortable. There is a lot of stretch. It does hug my midsection a little bit right here, what I always talk about, But I mean, that can be, I mean, for me, I'm comfortable enough to wearing it out like this. If you're uncomfortable, you can always like wear a slip underneath. But other than that, I think it's a really cute piece. It's super comfy, and I actually like the way this looks together too. So look at this, there's a lot of stretch room and it's super comfortable, and this is what I love about fashion and figure. I feel like every single design that they carry is super like curvy conscious. So they're really conscious of the curvy body, like where our like what we look for in our pieces and what we need and cater to all of our different needs. So I really love their pieces. It's super comfortable, true to size. Everything's been fitting true to size so far. And I cannot like, I'm so excited right now, guys. I'm excited to have all these pieces already. All right, the next two pieces I have here is this jean top, and it's this distressed jean top. It reminds me of my Fashion to Nova jean top. The only difference is that there's less distressing for sure, but it's also a shorter cut, so it falls right around the waist. And this second piece is this super cute romper that ties around the bust area. Like, I have never worn something like this before, especially because I'm always conscious of like where the girls are sitting and what kind of support system I need to have for them. So I'm super conscious of what I'm gonna wear with them. And because it's thin straps, again, I can't like disguise anything. So there's a lot going on here to reveal all the support that's going on underneath. So you have to be like pretty clever with it, I guess. And I'm not about like taping my boobs and stuff like that. And I feel like, you know what? Do you guys have any recommendations for curvy girls, us curvy girls that are big busted, that hold and support the girls for pieces like this that require less straps and like less bulkiness with the bras so that it is not revealed? Comment below, let me know. Any tips or tricks, etc. Any like products that you've used, let me know. All right, so let me go switch into this so we can see what it looks like on. Okay, so I know I said everything else so far has been a favorite, but this definitely is hands down my favorite. I'm trying to show you guys the entire romper because it's just so freaking cute. So this whole piece just sits beautifully, I think, on my body. Again, it creates a nice waistline, and I love this cutout because it's just so cute without being super revealing. I did a terrible job tying the bow, but I just did it for the sake of trying this on right now. The only issue I said again is like I need good support, so a bra is an issue, and so you can see the straps with this. But like I guess I would wear it out like that and like just sort of cover it with my hair, or again, if I'm going to wear it with a jacket, like it's not gonna be showing. Because I did try it on with my strapless bra, but the waist part, the band of the strapless bra showed too much, so it didn't look as good. But this is super cute. And by the way, guys, this is like dropping on me a little bit, but there are adjusters so that you can pull this up and make it a little bit tighter as well. I did notice this is super thin. It started pulling on the edges, so you definitely want to be careful with that. Guys, I'm so sorry because I keep looking over the screen too, so forgive me please. But again, I think this is definitely a favorite piece of mine. It is super cute. I am in love with this piece. And then let me just show you what the jacket looks like as well. So here is the jacket. And it looks cute with the jacket as well. So again, there's that distressing that's going on in the jacket, which is cute. I think it's great for the fall as well. When it starts to pick up the, you know, get a little bit chilly, this is great for layering as well. I love the fact that I have like two distressed jean jackets now, because my Fashion Nova one is a little bit longer, but this one it's great because it comes around the waist area. So this is cute for something that's a little bit more lighter and like easy to put on with anything, and put on with something like this because it looks cute with a piece like this. Okay, so for this last piece I have, it is a bodysuit. It actually reminds me of one of my Fashion Nova bathing suits. So again, it has the whole off the shoulders ruffle look to it too. What's cool about this one is you have this lace up portion right here. So I guess you'll get a better idea of it once I actually try it on. So let me go ahead and slip into this right now so that you can see what it looks like. Alrighty guys, so here is the final piece. Here is the final top that I have. It is again another off the shoulder piece, which I think is super cute with the lace up details. And again, it reminds me of that bathing suit that I have. So I think it's super cute. It's cute for the summertime and it's cute for this warm fall weather, especially depending on how you style it and pair it. Right now I paired it with a pair of green culottes that I have from ASOS, and I think it looks cute together. What do you guys think? And as it gets colder, like cooler, I would definitely pair it with some boots, layer some jackets, and then when you get into the office or wherever you're heading, you can pull it off and voila, you got this off the shoulder look. If you do want to see how I style them and how I shoot them, and they didn't come up in this video, definitely follow me on Instagram because they are gonna go up and I am gonna style them and I am gonna shoot them. So go on over to my Instagram account at Stephanie Nadia, follow me there and keep up with me and all of my styling choices, etc. I also do some beauty stuff over there as well. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know, because getting your feedback means the world to me. It helps me stay on top of what I should be giving you guys, because this channel is not for me. It's to feed this community we've created here. So I want to make sure that I stay true to not only me but to you guys and what you want to see more of. So if you want to see more try-on hauls, if you want to see lookbooks, again, comment below and let me know your thoughts. And of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. So that's it, guys. I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful, and until next time, bye. Mwah. Sorry guys, I'm speeding through this. But so Goose Fraba.